Entering the basement. Nice countertop, vinyl. Solid oak doors placed in for walls to close off this area from the rest of the sub area. Over here, that's the plug-in for the generator. Over here is your termite in the sub area. We're calling this fungus here. We'll simply cut these boards out. We don't even have to replace them if you don't want to. But we can cut them out and replace them. 2x10s, 2x4 in the rear, or 2x6 as it goes underneath there. Here's your illegal sink. Remove this and the plumbing cap off. The drain line runs along there. And here's our other unapproved living quarters. Put a blank cover over that light box. Here's your little bathroom. Unapproved. There's a vent going outside for that. And we have your shower room here. All FRP plastic on the walls. Come right off, probably drywall behind it. Remove the shower pan, bust the concrete, cap it off below, patch the concrete. Just cap the plumbing in wherever it's at. You know, this is sub area. It doesn't have to be crazy. And here's our water heater and furnace closet next to the shower room. The water heater was called by the gas company for the vent being disconnected. The vent just needs to be reconnected up top. That's it. It's connected all the way out. It's missing the TP drain line. That's an easy one. Connect it there and stub right out the front wall of the house and down 6 inches above the ground. Here's our furnace. According to the height of the new one, there'll have to be some adjustments done with the plenum up there. The gas line will have to be redone with a new gas cock, because that's not an approved one anymore. And it's not, it needs flexible supply line.